Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Switzerland using the Remitly app. So you just have to open the Remitly app, then go to the home page, and on the home page on the top left corner of the screen you can choose the country that you are targeting, which is Switzerland in our case. You just have to tap on it, and after that it is going to open up the transfer page where you have to tap on the get started icon, which is on the bottom of the screen. And after that, you have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you're going to see your local currency, and below that, the same amount in the recipient country's currency, in Switzerland in our case. Then tap on continue. And when you tap continue, you can see some of the most popular banks that are available in Switzerland. But if you don't see the bank that you are targeting, you can always tap on choose another bank to see all the available bank options that are in Switzerland. Then when you choose the bank, you just have to type in the IBAN code of your recipient like this. Type in the IBAN code. Be very careful to type in the correct code. Tap on continue. Then you have to add the first name and the last name of your recipient. Tap on continue again. You can also add the phone number of the recipient so it gets notified when you send the money, but you can also skip this step because it's not mandatory. And the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details so the Remitly app can charge you for this amount, and the recipient is going to receive the same amount in the form of a bank transfer. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.